Today I'm taking a look at this really nice set of two lamps for reviewing purposes. They are ideal for outdoors, wherever you want to install them. In this case, I'll be installing them at my door. And as you can see, they came really well protected with foam so that it won't came damaged or anything like that. These are the main units. You can see they are really beautiful. It has this center glass piece that I think that will give a really interesting look, and it uses the regular E26 light bulbs. Okay, so let's go ahead and install them and let's see how they look. Come on. And once that it gets dark, I think that they look absolutely amazing. They are really nice. The design is really modern, and it gives a really interesting look to wherever you install them. In this case, I installed them on the side of my door, but you can install them in your hallway, at your entryway, wherever you need this type of wall lamps. I think that they are absolutely amazing, and as you can see, the installation process was a breeze. So overall, I really like them, and I will really recommend them. See you guys!